When you call us for an installation of a Mitsubishi ductless system, we're going to talk to you about how your house is constructed, about the room that you want it to go into. And from there, we're going to try to figure out and work with you on what would be the best place to install it, the best location to install it. If we can't get everything figured out on the phone, we'll schedule a site visit. Or if you'd like to have a site visit, we'll schedule a free site visit. We'll come out, evaluate the space, and work together to come up with the best possible solution. The install process typically takes between 4 and 6 hours. That's due to the fact that we have technicians who specialize in only the Mitsubishi product, and because we have the specialized tools to get the job done quickly and efficiently. When we arrive at your home, we will first confirm with you on the placement of the indoor unit and the outdoor unit. We will then place tarps in the areas that we'll be working. We'll then install the indoor unit. Typically we'll be inside your home for a half an hour to get that portion of the job done. The rest of the time we'll be outside. Once the installation is completed, we will walk through the operation and the maintenance procedures with you so that you have a full understanding of how to operate the machine. We're experts in installing Mitsubishi ductless air conditioning because we're 100% Mitsubishi. It's all we do, and we've been doing it for almost 20 years.